Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 940 with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Air Nova 48 Sierra Kilo, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Aero Nova 48 Sierra Kilo.
Air Portugal 940, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Air Portugal 940.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 9 Lima Tango with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Lisbon ground, Aero Nova 48 Sierra Kilo ready to taxi.
Aero Nova 48 Sierra Kilo, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Aero Nova 48 Sierra Kilo.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 940 ready to taxi.
Air Portugal 940, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air Portugal 940.
Lisbon Tower, Air Portugal 565 and final 02.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 480 with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Air Portugal 9 Lima Tango, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Air Portugal 9 Lima Tango.
Air Portugal 480, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Air Portugal 480.
Air Portugal 565, runway 02, clear to land.
Runway 02, clear to land. Air Portugal 565.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 9 Lima Tango ready to taxi.
Air Portugal 940, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff on reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 940.
Air Portugal 9 Lima Tango, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air Portugal 9 Lima Tango.
Lisbon ground. Air Portugal 480 ready for taxi.
Air Portugal 480, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air Portugal 480.
Lisbon ground. Ryan Air 8 Tango Delta with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Ryanair 8 Tango Delta, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Ryan Air 8 Tango Delta.
Lisbon ground. Air Portugal 430 with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Air Portugal 430, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Air Portugal 430.
Air Nova 48 Sierra Kilo, runway 02, line behind next landing aircraft.
Runway 02. Line up behind next landing aircraft. Aero Nova 48 Sierra Kilo.
Lisbon ground. Ryan Air 8 Tango Delta ready to taxi.
Ryanair 8 Tango Delta, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Ryan Air 8 Tango Delta.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 552 November with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Air Nova 48 Sierra Kilo, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02. Cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Aero Nova 48 Sierra Kilo.
Lisbon ground. Air Portugal 430 ready to taxi.
Air Portugal 565, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal. Air Portugal 565.
Air Portugal 430, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air Portugal 430.
Air Portugal 480, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 480.
Lisbon Tower, Magic Sun 3 Yankee Foxtrot on final 02.
Air Portugal 552 November, pushback approved, expect to runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Air Portugal 552 November.
Magic 3 Yankee Foxtrot, runway 02, clear to land.
Lisbon ground, here Azores 151 with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Runway 02, clear to land. Magic Sun 3 Yankee Foxtrot.
Razor 151, pushback approved, expected runway 02. Air Azores 151, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02, here Azores 151.
Air Portugal 9 Lima Tango, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 9 Lima Tango.
Air Portugal 552 November, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air Portugal 552 November. Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 552 November, ready to taxi.
Lisbon ground, Moonraker 1 with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Moonraker 1, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Moonraker 1.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 1687 with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Lisbon ground, here Azores 151 ready to taxi.
Air Azores 151, continue taxi. Air Azores 151, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, here Azores 151.
Air Portugal 1687, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02, Air Portugal 1687.
Lisbon ground, Moonraker 1 ready to taxi. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . .
Ryanair 8 Tango Delta, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On
Air
reaching
Portugal
altitude 1000,
55 November,
contact departure.
runway 02
Ryanair
at
8 Tango
November 2.
Delta.
Runway 02 at November 2. Air Portugal 552 November.
Lisbon ground. Air Portugal 1687 ready for taxi.
Air Portugal 1687, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air Portugal 1687.
Magic Sun Yankee. Magic Sun 3 Yankee Foxtrot, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal. Magic Sun 3 Yankee Foxtrot.
Moonraker 1, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Moonraker 1.
Air Portugal 430, runway 02, line up and wait.
Runway 02, line up and wait. Air Portugal 430.
Lisbon ground, Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike, pushback approved, expected runway 02. Air Portugal 430, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 552 November, runway 02, line up and wait.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02, Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 430.
Runway 02, line up and wait. Air Portugal 552 November.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo.
Moonraker 1, runway 02 at November 2.
Runway 02 at November 2, Moonraker 1.
Air Portugal 552 November, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 552 November.
Razor is 151, runway 02, line up and wait.
Runway 02, line up and wait. Air Azores 151.
Lisbon ground, Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike ready to taxi.
Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike, runway 02 at November 2.
Runway 02, at November 2, Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo ready to taxi.
Aerosol is 151, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Air
On reaching
Portugal
altitude
1687,
1000, contact
runway
departure.
02, line up and wait.
151.
Runway 02, line up and wait for crossing traffic. Air Portugal 1687.
Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo.
Quality 4438, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Quality 4438. Lisbon ground. Quality 4438 with information Delta. Requesting push and start.
Air Portugal 1687, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 1687.
Moonraker 1, runway 02, line up and wait.
Runway 02, line up and wait. Moonraker 1.
Lisbon Tower, Ryanair 92 Sierra Victor on final 02.
Ryanair 92 Sierra Victor, runway 02, clear to land.
Runway 02, clear to land. Ryanair 92 Sierra Victor.
Moonraker 1, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Moonraker 1.
Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike, runway 02, line up and wait.
Runway 02, line up and wait. Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike.
Quality 4438, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Quality 4438. Lisbon ground. Quality 4438 ready to taxi.
Lisbon ground. Air Portugal 540 with information Delta. Requesting push and start.
Air Portugal 540, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved. Expect runway 02. Air Portugal 540.
Iberia 31 Foxtrot Mike, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude
Air
1000,
Portugal 7
contact
Alpha
departure.
Bravo, runway
Iberia
02,
31
line up
Foxtrot
and
Mike.
wait.
Runway 02, line up and wait. Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo.
Lisbon ground. Air Portugal 1354 with information Delta. Requesting push and start.
Air Portugal 1354, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved. Expect runway 02. Air Portugal 1354.
Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 7 Alpha Bravo.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 540 ready to taxi.
Air Portugal 540, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air Portugal 540.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 1354 ready to taxi.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 1922 with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Air Portugal 1354, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air Portugal 1354.
Air Portugal 1922, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Air Portugal 1922.
Quality 4438, runway 02, line up and wait.
Runway 02, line up and wait. Quality 4438.
Ryanair 92, Sierra Victor, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal. Ryanair 92 Sierra Victor.
Lisbon Tower, Air Portugal 757 Papa on final 02.
Air Portugal 757 Papa, standby.
Stand by, Air Portugal 757 Papa.
Quality 4438, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000,
Air Portugal
contact
1354, runway
Quality
02, line up and wait.
4438.
Runway 02, line up and wait for crossing traffic. Air Portugal 1354.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 1922 ready to taxi.
Lisbon ground, Air Portugal 1092 with information Delta, requesting push and start.
Air Portugal 1922, continue taxi. Air Portugal 1354, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Continue taxi. Air Portugal 1922.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 1354.
Air Portugal 1092, pushback approved, expected runway 02.
Pushback approved, expect runway 02. Air Portugal 1092.
Air Portugal 540, runway 02, line up and wait.
Runway 02, line up and wait. Air Portugal 540.
Air Portugal 540, runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 540.
Air Portugal 757 Papa, runway 02, cleared to land.
Runway 02, cleared to land. Air Portugal 757 Papa.
Lisbon ground. Air Portugal 1092 ready to taxi.
Air Portugal 1092, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air Portugal 1092.
Air Portugal 1922, runway 02, clear for immediate takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 1000, contact departure.
Runway 02, cleared for immediate takeoff. On reaching altitude 1000, contact departure. Air Portugal 1922.